The Honda CR-V key fob battery replacement involves a few simple steps. First, gather your tools: a small flathead screwdriver or a key fob opener tool, and a new CR2032 battery. Locate the seam on the fob, usually along the sides or back. Insert the screwdriver into the notch and gently pry apart the two halves. Avoid using excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic or damaging the rubber gasket. Once open, you'll see the internal components, including the battery. With the fob open, the coin cell battery is visible in a holder. Note the orientation of the old battery with the positive side up before removing it. Some fobs have a tab or clip holding the battery in place. Carefully dislodge it. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up, ensuring it's seated properly to avoid poor contact. Snap the case back together. Test the fob by locking or unlocking the doors or starting the vehicle. If it's unresponsive, reprogram it via the vehicle's menu by pressing the brake pedal and ignition button simultaneously for 10 seconds. Remember to dispose of the old battery properly.